Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a Microsoft Loop workspace. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your Loop workspaces and their settings. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all of your workspaces displayed. This is where all your collaborative spaces are organized, making it easy to manage everything in one place. Take a moment to locate the specific workspace you want to delete from the list. Once you've found the workspace you want to remove, hover your mouse cursor over that workspace. You'll notice that additional options become available when you do this. This hover action reveals the management controls for that particular workspace. While hovering, you'll see 3 dots appear. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with various workspace options. This menu gives you access to different actions you can perform on the workspace, including editing, sharing, and deletion settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on the Delete option. This action tells Microsoft Loop that you want to permanently remove this workspace and all its contents. Keep in mind that this step is important because it initiates the deletion process for everything stored within that workspace. After clicking Delete, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is a safety feature designed to prevent accidental deletions, ensuring you really want to proceed with removing the workspace. Microsoft Loop wants to make sure you're certain about this decision since deletion is typically permanent. In the confirmation dialog, simply click the Delete button one more time to confirm your choice. Once you do this, the workspace will be permanently removed from your account, along with all its associated content and data. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your Microsoft Loop workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.